I'm so excited for ACEP Scientific Assembly this year in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am excited about a lot of things, but one of the things I'm more excited about is the Ultrasound Section Meeting. Now, there's going to be a lot of good content. We're going to get everybody kind of up to date with all the new stuff going on in ultrasound education and just ultrasound in general. Now, what we're going to do there, we did this last year, it was super fun. We're going to showcase some educational videos that you all are going to create. What we want is we would love to have 2-minute video submissions showing whatever you'd like with regards to ultrasound education. It could be a great case with a learning pearl in there as well. It could be just something that you've discovered, something that you found to be helpful to you in your practice. I'm going to show you a couple of tips to make the best educational video you can make. When we are creating educational content, we definitely want to be as engaging as we can, and probably the lowest kind of tier option, which is still a great option, is to use your laptop and a USB microphone. I have the Rode NT USB Mini on a little tripod with a USB cable on it. Now you notice here I don't have my presenter notes, and it definitely works. It's a simple setup, but it might be a little harder and take more edits for you to do. But just to show you an example of what this looks like, here I am kind of going through these slides, and we have decent audio quality, as you can hear on the actual recording, and I can go through all of the slides right here. Now what I want to do is show you a few examples of some other ways that you can create engaging content. Another option would be to record directly on your phone. You can actually record it using any app editing software that you have on your phone, or you might use Instagram to be your video editor. At its most basic level, what we're looking for is asymmetric thickening of parts of the myocardium, looking at the left ventricle relative to other parts. So if we look on this one right here, this is asymmetric thickening. It's pretty thick up here relative to over here. This is HCM. We have septal hypertrophy. And then over here, just for comparison, we have normal. This is the way that I use my teleprompter setup. You can see it right here. I have camera in the back. I can actually show you right now what that looks like. So right there we have the camera back there, and I can definitely share how this is all set up. And the reason that this works quite well for me is because of this. So this is just a monitor here that's mirrored here. And what we can see here is as I hit play on my computer, I'm actually looking directly at my slides, but also directly at the camera. So we have normal on the left and abnormal is on the right. If we look right here, we can see this kind of pooching up of that optic disc. It should not be pooched up. Normally, it should be flat with that retina. Another option is to create a sketch, which one of our submissions was last year, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Check it out.
The artifact of edge with movement will desist. At the end of their story, their moral shall be this: scan not just one plane. Remember, use your wrist. For when refractive index of mediums disagree, the image distortion will be shadowy.
You have a lot of options to choose from. The videos, there's no real stringent criteria. Just make them succinct, make them educational, make them engaging, and make them entertaining. We can't wait to see what you come up with.